Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uphold app to buy crypto with ACH step by step clearly. To download the Uphold app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open your device's App Store. For iPhone users, go to the App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Uphold. Press enter or tap the search icon. Locate the Uphold app in the search results. Ensure it has the correct logo and developer information. Tap on the app to open its details page. Look for the download or get button. For iPhone, it will say get, and for Android, it will say install. Tap the button to start the downloading process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Uphold app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. If you're a new user, choose the option to create an account. Follow the prompts to sign up. You will need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Once registered, you'll receive a verification email. Check your email and click on the verification link. Return to the Uphold app and log in with your credentials. To buy crypto using ACH, navigate to the funding option within the app. Link your bank account by entering the required details. Make sure to select ACH as your funding method. Once your bank account is verified, you can proceed to purchase crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the transaction details carefully. Tap the Confirm button to complete your purchase. You have now successfully downloaded the Uphold app and purchased crypto using ACH. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.